Hey there! Welcome to Math Zen, and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. Today's video is going to walk you through the step-by-step process for multiplying two-digit by one-digit numbers, otherwise known as the standard algorithm. Let's take 24 times 3 as our first example. First things first, we write the factors vertically stacked, making sure place values align. Remember, neatness makes a difference in math. Step 1. We multiply 3 times 4, which equals 12. We record the 2 and carry the 1 over the 2 in the tens place. Step 2. We multiply 3 times 2, which equals 6. Then we add the 1 we carried, making 7. Then we record that 7 in our product. Our final product is 72. It's as simple as that. If you haven't already, please click the button in the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Let's try a couple problems on your own without writing the steps on the side. Feel free to pause here when you see the problems so you can work them out before you see the answers. If you got 84 and 296 as your answers, great job. If you got one or both of them wrong, don't worry, you just need a little more practice. That's it for today's video. I hope it helped clear up any confusions you may have had about multiplying two-digit by one-digit problems. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I try to get back to as many comments as I can. Remember, practice makes perfect. Good job today.